How to remove the Renault Captur J87 glove box. Please keep in mind Australia is left-hand drive with the steering wheel on the right. This process will be null and void for right-hand drive countries with the steering wheel on the left. If it doesn't look the same, it probably isn't the same. With any glove box, I like to look underneath first to see if there's any clips or covers or screws. With this one, there wasn't anything underneath. To the top, when you open the glove box, there are torque screws. Go ahead and remove of these torque screws. I'd recommend using a plastic tool just so you don't damage anything. And underneath there will be another torque screw. On the side, we'll remove this cover over here on the dash. And then there will be one screw that we will need to remove. And this holds the glove box in place. Not the top screw, it's this bottom one over here. And then, again, I recommend using a plastic tool. And then the glove box should slide out quite easily.
Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.